Louis Vuitton shop is expanding. Look at that. It's under renovation. Oh my. OMG, I want to buy all. Look at that. Wala, I need something from Philippine store. This is a big store. I'm going to eat alone. Kain tayo. Hala, ang sarap. Yum! Ay, ito